My name is Bayley Hall, and this is my team of Team 18.
It is located in Mount Waverley, which is funny because it's not a mountain.
Entry, please. Oh, wow, we are. And this is where our team have lunch at the Craig Lounge. My hobbies include ping pong, he is my neighbour, David Reynolds, and he is a pain in my A-pillar. I get a new race suit, he must get a new race suit. I get a helmet, he must get a helmet. I get Craig Lowndes, he cannot afford. Great success. And this is the Bayley Hall Hall. This is our sticker shop. I don't have a printer, so I print my boarding passes here. This is where all the hard work really happens. My engineer and I crunching all the data to make the best decisions.
What do you think, mate? Pizza or a pasta?
I think pizza, definitely.
I think pizza.
Well, that one looks good.
It does, doesn't it? Meatloaf is mega loaded.